Can you put a script in my root folder that essentially goes through all .py files, and when I run it, it outputs one .txt file with all my .py files code in it. So essentially it looks at my whole code base and then outputs a text file with my whole code base in it. And the name of the file at the top of each name in the file. So it's one long text, but there's some organization there. That's exactly what I want, shorty. So compile codebase.py here.
I'm Moondav. I build trading bots chasing the same industry Jim Simons ran up a net worth of $31 billion in. But I believe code is the great equalizer. And these are real people, real profits, hundreds of them. I'm not asking you to trust me, I'm asking you to trust them. Moondav.com/Discord. Message anyone, ask them, become friends.